Hello my dear students, let us start with Mathematics DElEd 2022 paper solving. Here you are asked to find out the product of a minus b and 5a plus 3b. So let us solve a minus b multiplied by 5a plus 3b. So with this a, that is the first term, we will multiply 5a plus 3b. Next we have minus b, so minus b multiplied by again 5a plus 3b. So here you are getting a into 5a, that is 5a square plus 3ab. After multiplying this, here we have minus, so minus 5ab, here minus, here plus, so it will be minus 3b square. Now further solving, you will get here 5a square, here we have plus, here we have minus, that means we need to find out the difference. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and you need to give the sign of the bigger one, so minus 2ab minus 3b square. So this is our final answer. So here our option will be number 3. Now next we have 106 multiplied by 106 minus 94 into 94. So let us solve this. So this one you can write as 106 whole square, that is a square, minus 94 the whole square, that is b square. And we know the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. So similarly we can write 106 plus 94, that is a plus b, and again multiplied by 106 minus 94, that is a minus b. If we add this, here you will get 200 multiplied by 106 minus 90, will get here 12. So here our final answer will be 12 into 2, that is 24, and 00, that is 2400. So here our correct answer will be option number 4. Now let us move on to the next one. So here it is said that if the sum of 4 consecutive even number is 180, then sum of the next 4 consecutive even number will be. So here if we use our brain, then here 180 is the sum of 4 even numbers, consecutive even numbers. So if we find out the average, we need to divide it by 4. So by dividing it by 4, you will get here 45. That means 45 is the average. After 45 we have 46, and next even number will be 48, and the previous even number will be here 44, and the previous one is 42. So here 4 consecutive even number are 42, 44, 46 and 48. So next 4 consecutive even number will be after 48, that is 50. Next is 52. Next one is 54, and next one is 56. And here we are asked to find out the sum. So here 50, 50, 50, 50 will give you 50 into 4, that is 200. 200 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So your answer will be 212 over here. So here option number 3 is our correct answer. Next we have if x by 4 plus 10 equal to minus 4, then find the value of x. So let us solve for x over here. So x by 4 will be equal to minus 4 and minus 10. So you are getting here minus 14. And here we have x by 4. If we take this 4 on the other side, we will get 14 minus 14 into 4. So after solving, you will get minus 56 as our correct answer. Let us start with the next sum. The sum of a number and its square is 182. The number will be. So here the best method of solving this sum is by checking the options. Let us check option number 1, that is 16. 16 into 16 is 256, that is 16 square. plus 16, that is the number. If you add, you will get more than 182 because this square itself is more than 182. So 16 cannot be our answer. Even more than 16, those options are there, those will also not be the answer over here. So let us check 13, which is less than 16. 13 square, that is 169, that is 13 into 13 plus 13, that is the number. If you find out this sum, you will get 182. So here option number 2 is the correct answer. Let us solve the next sum. The sum of bottles, each of 250 ml, will be filled by water of a jar 5 liter. So jar is 5 liter, means total quantity of water is 5 liter. If you convert 5 liter into milliliter, you will get 5 into 1000, that is 5000 milliliter. This is the total water contained in a jar. That jar, that total quantity must be divided into 250 ml so that you can get the number of bottles, because each bottle is 250 ml. If we divide, you will get 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 25 into 2 is 50 and a 0 over here. So 20 will be our correct option over here. So let us start with the next sum. The fraction lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Here also best way is to check the option. So here the fraction is given to be 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Let us make the denominator same first, which will help us to compare. So here LCM of 3 and 5, that is the denominator is 15. So we will multiply 3 by 5. We will make the denominator as 15. We are getting this fraction as 2 into 5, that is 10 by 15. Now similarly here, if we multiply the denominator by 3, we will get 15. So here the final fraction is 9 by 15. So you need to find a number of fraction which is in between 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. So first option is 2 by 5. So let us make the denominator 15 first. So here 3 into 5 is 15. So multiply in the numerator with 3. So we are getting 6 by 15. 6 is not in between 9 and 10. So 6 by 15 is also not in between 9 by 15 and 10 by 15. So this cannot be our answer. Next we have 1 by 15. Here the denominator is already 15. Here 1 does not lies between 9 and 10. So this is also not our answer. Next we have 1 by 3. So let us make the denominator 15. So here we are getting 3 into 5 is 15, and here also 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 by 15 you are getting. 5 by 15 also not in between 9 and 10. That is 9 by 15 and 10 by 15. So this is also not our correct option. So we are left with option number 4, which is our correct answer over here. Next question. The base diameter and the height of a cone and cylinder are same. Then the ratio of their volume will be. So we are asked to find out the ratio of the volume. So the ratio of the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and here cylinder, if we find out, that is pi r square h. Now here it is said that the base diameter and height of cone and cylinder are same. So here base diameter will be same, that means radius will be same, so cancel it. And here height is also same, so cancel the height, and pi will be cancelled. So here you are getting 1 by 3 is to 1 over here. So if we cross multiply, we will get 1 is to 3. So here option number 3 is our correct answer. Next question. The average of natural numbers 1 to 49. We know sum of natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. And here you are asked to find out the average. That means we need to divide it by n. So if we divide n and n will be cancelled. So you are getting n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 49. So 49 plus 1 is 50, 50 by 2, that is 25. So here answer will be 25, that is option number 2. Next, we are asked to find out the place value of 9 in this given number. So let us write it in fraction first. So 6945 divided by how many digits are there after point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the position of 9 over here is 900 divided by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So cancel this 2 zeros, this 2 zeros, you are getting 9 by 100. That is option number 3. So here you are asked to find out the missing number of the given series. So let us find it out. So here if we find out the gap in between this, you can see here we have plus 2. Here we have plus 4. Here we have plus 8, that is 15 plus 8 is 23. Here we have plus 16. So if we observe, we will get 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so 16 2s are is 32. So 39 plus 32, if we add, we will get here 3 plus 3, that is 6 plus 7, 71. So 71 is our correct answer. So here option number 1 is our correct answer. Next question, the best way to express the expenditure in different heads of a family is bar diagram, using bar diagram. Next we have the summative evaluation in mathematics is done for the learners to know the development in mathematics. This is the correct answer over here. Next we have the ratio of circumference to the diameter of a circle. So here ratio of circumference, we know here circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and here the diameter will be 2 into r. So if we find out the ratio over here, then here 2 and 2 will cancel, r and r will be cancelled, so you are getting pi is to 1. That is option number 1. Next question, mathematics is a logical subject, abstract subject, applied subject. All of the above or all of this will be our answer. Next one, the concept of social constructivism is given by Vygotsky. Next question, the aim of mathematics teaching is recreational. Which one is not a measure of dispersion? So here mode is also dispersion, standard deviation, mean deviation. So here quartile deviation will be our answer. Next question, the sum of two numbers is 0, then the sum of their cube is. So let us assume two numbers, so that if we add the numbers we will get 0. So plus 1 and minus 1, you are getting here 0. Now let us find out the sum of the cubes. So 1 cube if you find, you will get here 1, and minus 1's cube if you find out, you will get here minus 1. So if we add this two, you will get your answer as 0. Let us check with another one number. So here if we take the number as 2 and minus 2, so 2's cube if you find out, you will get over here 8, and minus 2's cube if you find out, you will get minus 8. So if we add, you will get here 0. That means in every assumption, if we assume the number such that the sum is 0, the sum of the cube will be 0 as well. So option number 1 will be our correct option. Question number T. 1 second is the dash part of 1 hour. 1 hour means what? 60 second. So 60 second. So 1 second is how much of 60 second? That is 1 by 68th part. So here answer will be 1 by 68th part.